फ्रेंड्स हम लोग थाईलैंड पहुंच गए और बड़ा मज़ा आ रहा है. So we have landed in Bangkok and right now we are in duty free just shopping few things here. That's Becky. And flight थोड़ा सा लेट हो गया था but overall it was a very nice flight by Thai Airlines and they served us a good fish rice meal. Although it was a late night flight, well into 1 a.m. ठीक ठाक फ्लाइट था, मज़ा आया. And they had a very interesting camera perspective of how the flight is on its way to Bangkok from Bangalore. So that was fun. Now what we will do is basically figure out what are the SIM options for Becky. While I took my SIM from India, Matrix card लिया था मैंने. यहाँ पर अब एक दूसरे नेटवर्क में बैकी के लिए लेंगे. वी हैड ऑलरेडी डन मनी एक्सचेंज बट वील सी व्हाट आर द मनी एक्सचेंज रेट्स हियर एट द बैंकॉक एयरपोर्ट. वाइल वी वर एट द बैंगलोर एयरपोर्ट, वहाँ पर मनी एक्सचेंज का मेरे को कुछ दिखा नहीं था. वी वर स्ट्रेट अवे सेंड टू द गेट्स फॉर फ्लाइट डिपार्चर. एंड नाउ वी विल सी कि यहाँ पर इमिग्रेशन कैसा है. देन वी विल सी. हमारा इमिग्रेशन हो गया. इट वॉज वेरी फास्ट. इंडियंस के लिए फ्री वीज़ा है. दैट मीन्स कुछ ज़्यादा पेपर वर्क करना नहीं है. इट्स जस्ट दैट कुछ लोग बोलते हैं कि यहाँ पर 200 रुपये देना है आपको. इंस्टेड ऑफ जस्ट हैगलिंग, इफ़ यू वांट टू हैव अ गुड टाइम, नॉट स्पॉइल योर मॉर्निंग, पे अप, गेट स्टैम्प्ड एंड गेट आउट. इट्स लिटरली 1 मिनट का जर्नी है फ्रॉम इमिग्रेशन टू कन्वेयर बेल्ट. आफ्टर यू क्लियर इमिग्रेशन एंड कस्टम्स यू कैन कम हियर अपस्टेयर्स ऑन सेकेंड फ्लोर टू हैव सम फूड. We haven't really decided.
Okay, this is it.
Becky reached Thailand and decided to have English breakfast.
Not English breakfast, it's a Japanese restaurant.
Lots to choose from, difficult choices ahead. क्या खाए क्या छोड़े नहीं पता. हाँ.
Oh my god, dude, it looks exactly like the photo. Like, how?
Yeah.
Shit.
Do the Mark Twain film.
Like, this is perfection. Can't believe I've come to a Japanese restaurant where I'm having an English breakfast. How hypocritical of me.
This is our bus to Pattaya. I'll show it to you from inside also.
Hello.
नहीं. तो ये बैंकॉक के स्वर्णभूमि एयरपोर्ट से बाहर निकल कर जो नज़ारा है उसका झलक है. साइकिल ट्रैक्स और नीचे और काफ़ी दिल्ली वाली फीलिंग आ रही थी इसमें. फिर थोड़ी देर बाद समझ में आया दिल्ली में एयरपोर्ट के बाहर निकल के ये सब ख़त्म हो जाता है. लेकिन यहाँ पर ये कंटिन्यूस है, अभी तक ख़त्म नहीं हुआ और देख के लग भी नहीं रहा कि ये ख़त्म होने वाला है. Swarnabhumi airport, we took a bus for Pattaya While we were taking the tickets, it had an option to book a cab as well, which you can get directly outside the bus once it parks at the bus terminal in Pattaya. And it is so convenient. You can just step out and hop into the step out of the bus and hop into the cab, and it will take you directly to your hotel, and that is fantastic. Only challenge is the hotel check-in time is 2 p.m. We landed at around 6:30. Immigration was very fast, so and we spent a lot of time in the airport shopping at duty free. By that time, our bus timing, the timing that we got was around 10:30. So we have just reached Pattaya. It's around 1 p.m. now. We are heading out to have some lunch and then we'll come back to check into the hotel. हम लोग रह रहे हैं वहाँ पर आसपास सिर्फ इंडियन और इंडियन सब कॉन्टिनेंट वाले रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं, जैसे अरबिक फूड, इंडियन, पाकिस्तानी, उस टाइप के फूड। जैसे सामने है अल ज़हरा, 7-Eleven तो भर के, फिर है दालचीनी, और फिर है अबू सईद रेस्टोरेंट, देन अबू नवाज रेस्टोरेंट। Many wheat shops here. This is one shit wheat. I'm sorry, mad shit wheat. अरे तो इंडियन नहीं।
Okay. And you?
One spicy?
Yes.
Okay.
So we are here at a marketplace near Walking Street. Most of the restaurants around Walking Street serve Indian food. Only this one serves street food, authentic Thailand, authentic Thai street food. It's nice and clean. Becky also likes it. Parents after years.
Not quantities. They just.
Becky, tell us what you have ordered.
Oh my god. Sorry, I got a little distracted by that. Stir-fried mussels and stir-fried. This one is not mussels. I forgot what it's called.
Clams.
Clams. Yes, thank you. Stir-fried clams is what I have ordered, and it looks insane. And she's made it very. Do I look awkward? This in Konkani is called shenanigans, and it is the one thing I go to Goa for almost every year. They've prepared it a little differently, so I'm excited to see how it tastes.
Open and show how they look like. How do you eat them?
Just the little mussel on the inside. Nice. And it's got a little chili dip. So this should be fun.
Now I will try the shenanigans mussels, as Becky says. गोवा में इसको shenanigans बोलते हैं. Looks like this. छोटे से शेल में ऐसा आता है. और इसको खा सकते हैं ये चिली डिप के साथ. Brilliant.
Oh my god.
Amazing.
You have to try this. It's really, really good.
This is my dish. It's some seafood soup. Let's see how it is. Just learned how to say thank you in Thai. So if you're a man, say kapun krap, and if you're a woman, say kapun ka. So now I'm trying my seafood soup. Looks amazing. Looks very hot. Indeed very hot. Let me see. Wow, very fresh. This is the soup. There is squid. There is this chotu octopus. And there is, I think this is shrimp or
Yeah.
prawns. Yeah, most of the music here sounds like a copy of some other band. And suddenly they start.
It sounds almost like Backstreet Boys.
I was going to say RHCP. कैलिफोर्निकेशन टाइप का नहीं लग रहा था?
Actually, yeah.
अच्छा, अभी हम लोग ये ट्राई करेंगे. दे हैव गिवन सम स्पाइसेस लाइक दिस चिली फ्लेक्स. तो ये डाल देते हैं थोड़ा सा. लेट्स सी हाउ इट टेस्ट विद चिली फ्लेक्स. दिस शुगर एंड विनेगर ऑल्सो. शुगर का तो उतना खैर कोई शौक नहीं है, बट लेट्स सी कि चिली फ्लेक्स के साथ कैसा
Sugar brings
लगता है.
out the spice. Sugar brings out the spice in the dish.
ओह,
This is a
चिली के साथ. It's good. एज एन इंडियन हमारी आदत रहती है कि हर चीज़ में ग्रीन चिली डाल देते हैं. रेड चिली फ्लेक्स भी बहुत अच्छा काम करते हैं एज अ फ्लेवर एनहांसर. वेरी नाइस.
absolutely amazing.
I'm going to try this chili fish oil in my soup to see how it is. Just a few drops to taste first. I've heard a lot about chilies, fish oils. Nice, bro. बढ़िया है.
Very nice and Thai, very friendly.
What is this, Becky?
Very nice, very nice and Thai and very beautiful, lovely.
Thai, no, crispy pork belly with noodles.
Okay, go for it.
Good. A little cold though, which is surprising. Maybe that's how it's supposed to be. But I like it. It's quite refreshing actually.
Ah.
Yeah.